a mental game. So I woke up this morning and I was like, no, I don't want to work out. I don't want to do anything. But guess what? I had to overcome myself. Every day and every way, you guys, you have to challenge your mind. You have to challenge your mind to continuously become the best version of yourself. So here's what I learned this morning. Like your mental gymnastics, that is your weakness that you got to weed out of your body. My body was saying, no, I don't want to. I don't feel like it. I don't have to. But guess what? I did it anyway. And look at me now. Woo! So full of energy. I want to come on and share this with you guys because it's so important that you guys overcome that drama story that you have going on about what's not possible. And just do it anyway. Just do it anyway. Because what I realized is that your mind will play tricks on you. Your mind will play tricks on you. But you have to be greater than your mind. You hear what I'm saying? You have to hold a vision for yourself that is greater than your current circumstance. Did you hear what I said? I need for you to hold a vision for yourself that is greater than your current circumstance. That's what it means to elevate your mind. Because your mind might be right here, trapped for a minute, like, oh no, I can't, I don't want to, it's not possible. But you and your vision for your highest version of yourself gets to know that yes, you can, and yes, you will. So today I did my workout, on the Tiffany Rothe Fit Club. Listen, if you guys are not in the TRFC, you need to join me right away. I'm going to tell you why, because community is what allows you to continue in this journey, right? It is too hard to do it alone. The fact that I knew that I had to show up, that they were waiting for me, I was like, oh God, let me just make it over there, right? So the community is so important. If you have not signed up, go to the TRFC.club and sign up. We do live workouts every day. You can work out live with me. You can do it on the replay. I give you guys secret little sentences that I embed in the workout to check to see if you really did it, right? So this is how we make working out fun. But what I realized is that it is your job, we got like a little was going, it is your job to maintain your body. This is all live. I need to tell you a little bit like, I'm going to put some music on. I need to put this to go with me, right? Okay, come with me, music. Okay, so listen, it is your job. So as I was, you guys know that you helped me put together this new studio. For those of you that did, if you go to my YouTube channel, you go to my actual channel, you'll see a page, and you'll see all these names of the sponsors that help make this new studio possible. It is so exciting and amazing to see that we actually are better together, right? So I noticed that the floor was kind of coming apart. It's one of those floors, those gym floors that you put together. I noticed that it was coming apart. And so I was like, oh my God, the floor's coming apart. I gotta put it back together. Nothing stays the same. Did you guys see my coaching for Monday? Go watch my coaching for Monday. Monday morning motivation. There is no such thing as staying the same. You are either striving to make yourself better or allowing yourself to get worse. All the time, you always get to be striving. So even though the room is done, I gotta maintain it. I gotta put the floor back. And I started thinking about the concept of maintenance, you guys. You get to maintain everything that you care about. The ultimate expression of love is care. Are you guys hear what I'm saying? Is there anybody that you love that you don't care for? When you love somebody, you care for them. Whether it's your children, it's your spouse, it's your parent, it's your friend, you care for them. So when you love yourself, you care for yourself. And that requires maintenance. Your daily maintenance means you get to work your body out. And let me tell you something what I also learned today and I want to share with you. All you gotta do, you guys, I'm telling you this on God. Join the TRFC, wake up every day and press play. Just press play. And you will be on this journey that will allow you to be fit, fierce, and jealous forever because I'm on it with you and I'm not getting off. I am not getting off the journey. So if you ride with me, we're going to ride until the wheels fall off, you guys. We're going to ride this fit, fierce, and balanced journey to the very end. But guess what? You can't do it alone. I can't do it alone. We are better together. We are better together. So listen, you guys, sign up today for the TRFC. Join me tomorrow for live, and you will see what I'm talking about. talking about. You see what I'm talking about. It is so worth it because you are responsible to maintain your body. You got to maintain your house. I cleaned out my refrigerator the other day. I looked at it with stuff stuck in the back. You got to maintain your house. You got to maintain your car. You got to maintain your refrigerator. You got to maintain your body. Everything in life worth having, you must maintain. So why do you think that you can be given this healthy body and just not take care of it? Right? No, it's not okay. So you get to take care of your body. You get to elevate past those limitations in your mind, because there are limitations. You get to elevate to a greater vision of yourself. I want you to see yourself as freaking amazing. I want you to see yourself as fabulous every single day. And know that every time that you wake up, all you're going to do, you guys, is wake up and press play. Just go to TRFC, press play. And you will see people be working it out. We'll be boxing, lifting weights, stretching, doing all the calisthenics, intermittent training, all the things that you need in order to succeed. We have it on the TRFC. There are so many workouts, and guess what? I do it with you every step of the way, right? So I'm not the coach that doesn't show up, just puts out an evergreen video and says bye-bye. No, I am with you every single step of the way. Isn't that beautiful to be on this journey together? So when I talk it, I walk it, you guys. When I talk it, I walk it. And I want you guys to talk it and walk it with me. How are we feeling? All right, you guys. All right, let me see who's here. We got Noor, we got Tiffany Marie, we got Colbert in the house. Who's here? Who's representing on Facebook? We have Estrella. All right, Estrella, how you doing, baby? Who else is there? So listen, you guys, I want you to write in the box, I love myself. Because guess what? When you love yourself, you care for yourself. I just want you to write in the chat, I love myself. If you guys are with me, don't be shy. If you can't tell people in the world that you love yourself, go ahead and make an announcement. I love myself. Come on, Barbara. Come on, Pear. Type it in there. I love myself. I love myself. Because when you love yourself, you will take care of yourself. When's the last time you actually did that? A lot of times you go tell people, I love you, I love you, love you, bye. But do you actually look in the mirror and say, I love myself? Thanks, Wills. Thank you for stepping in there, baby, from Virginia. Who else? Jonathan, do you love yourself? Go ahead and type it in the chat. I love myself. Who is that? Beatrice. Yes, baby. Yes, I love to see you, baby. All right, Beatrice says she loves herself and she works out with TiffanyRotheWorkouts. I love it. Who else? Who else? Let me see. Guy, do you love yourself? Right? Yada, you love yourself, okay? You guys got to be able to look in the mirror and talk and speak life into yourself. When you're done, I want you to get off this call and go to the mirror. And you may not have ever done this before. I want you to look in the mirror and say, I love you. I love you. Yes! Margarita says she loves herself. She was on the live every day. Margarita is fire. I just love working out with her. Okay, Barbara, do you love yourself? When you get off this call, I want you to get off the call, go to the mirror, look at it and say, I love you, Barbara. What? I love myself, because that is the most, love is one of the most powerful vibrations in the world, and a lot of times we always focus it outward. Always outward. Love this one, love that one, love this one. Hey Freddie, how you doing? Hey Cherie, how you doing? Hey Mike, how you doing? Hey, who's that? Margie, how you doing? Margie, go ahead and type in the chat. I love myself. You get to love yourself first, because what you love, you take care of. So this whole Wednesday Hump Day Motivation is to remind you that you got to get over those limitations in your mind and step into that journey of self-love. Step into that journey of showing up for yourself no matter how you feel, right? Because your feelings aren't real. Your feelings change. 1 hour ago, maybe an hour and 15 minutes, I was like, no, I don't feel like it. Now, I am up, I am energized, and I am motivating you to do the same. I am up, I am empowered, because I didn't talk about it, I be about it. I did my workout, I lit it up, I was in community with others, and now I'm showing up for you. Why? You can do it too. All you gotta do is overcome your mindset, step into the greater version of yourself, press play on the TRFC Club. Press play. Let's be in this journey together of elevating ourselves, mind, body, and spirit. Why? Because you deserve to live a great life. Because you deserve it. You are worth it. Yes, you are. You are worth it. So all you got to do is go on over, sign up, meet me tomorrow. tomorrow on the TRFC Club at 9 a.m. Central Time. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, what it means to be fit, fierce, and fabulous forever. All you have to do is press play. Hey, and every day, in every way, we are better and better. Go ahead, say it with me. Let's say it. First, let's say it with the I, because you gotta focus on me first. Say it with me. Every day, in every way, I am better and better. Say it. Every day, in every way, I am better and better. One more. Every day, in every way, I am better and better. One more time with we. Every day, in every way, we are. That's what it means. We are better together. Don't listen to all that crap out there in the world. Unity is the community. Hey, what? Oh, yes. We are living in the joy of being unified, of being a community. TRFC is an international community. TiffanyRotheWorkouts is an international community. It's a multiracial, multilingual community. We are representing in the world what it means like to be better together. You guys, rise up and let love be your language and let unity be your community. Woo! I love you. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful day. I'm lit. All it took was a workout. Bye. All right, Facebook fam, did you like that? If you liked it, share it with a friend. Unity is our community, right? We get to spread this message of love throughout the world. I am so sick and tired of all this division. Unity is our community. We are international. We are multiracial, multicultural, multi-religions. We are a unified community here in the Tiffany Rothe Fit Club. Thank you for being a part of it. Thank you for being the best of me. I love you. Bye.